We have loads of anthills across our farm at Annadana, Bangalore, and we use their soil as a natural and sustainable substitute for commercial fertilizers. And this is more important for smallholder farmers without destroying their anthill. It's naturally richer than the surrounding soil in essential nutrients for plant growth. At Annadana, we use it in our nurseries. We dry it up if it is wet, and then thereafter we sow our seeds, whether it is brinjal, whether it is tomatoes, or for that matter, chilies and capsicum.